Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 19th of May, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of April, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.38. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 37.82% since we first listed MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate 26 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.45% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback towards the lower section of the trend is likely. A breakout above the upper trend line at $435.37 would indicate a stronger upward momentum. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 51.91% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 12.52% to 59.97%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 81.13%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 17.61% to 165.34% over the next year. In practical terms, this would position the future price between $486.24 and $1,096.99. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy Incorporated brings the headline, MicroStrategy Incorporated stock upgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, the stock price of MicroStrategy Incorporated increased by 3.41%, rising from $399.80 to $413.42. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.57%, with a low of $392.73 and a high of $414.59. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, showing an overall increase of 6.96% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume has surged on the last day, accompanying the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 488,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 13 million shares changed hands for approximately $5.24 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $543, while the lowest price was $102.40. Currently, the stock price is 23.86%, or $129.58, below the 52-week high of $543, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy Incorporated, which trades under the ticker MSTR, is currently facing significant legal challenges as multiple class action lawsuits have been filed against the company. These lawsuits target investors who purchased MSTR securities between the 30th of April, 2024 and the 4th of April, 2025. Legal representatives are urging those affected to come forward to potentially recover losses, emphasizing the seriousness of the allegations surrounding securities fraud. Despite these challenges, MSTR stock exhibited surprising resilience, climbing approximately 1.2% today from its previous close, indicating some market confidence amidst the ongoing legal turmoil. In the short term, however, this volatility could introduce uncertainty for investors. The stock price may fluctuate as news develops regarding the lawsuits and investor reactions unfold. In the long term, the potential ramifications of these legal issues are more profound. If the allegations lead to significant penalties or damage claims, this may adversely affect the company's financial standing and investor sentiment. Conversely, if MicroStrategy is able to effectively address these challenges and demonstrate resilience, it could stabilize its stock price and potentially regain investor trust. The current situation highlights the importance of monitoring both legal developments and broader market influences, particularly as cryptocurrency legislation evolves, impacting not only MicroStrategy but the entire tech and cryptocurrency-related sectors. As the story develops, stakeholders will need to remain alert to how it unfolds. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Cantor Fitzgerald gave MSTR a hold grade along with a hold action. Additionally, on that Monday, Barclays provided MSTR with a hold grade and a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, UBS reported a buy grade for MSTR, also with a hold action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, BTIG had given MSTR a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified from MicroStrategy Incorporated. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels of $409.94 and $348.27. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025. With the stock having fallen by 1.94% so far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 59 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. If we take a look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $368.71 and $343.03. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $368.71. If this breaks, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $343.03 and $335.72. This stock may experience significant movements throughout the day, characterized by volatility and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. It is considered high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $21.86 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 5.57%. For the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 4.77%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may signal ongoing profitability issues and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at negative 12 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $414.38. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $368.71. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating from MicroStrategy Incorporated from various analyst sources indicates a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Xiao Wei-ming executed an insider sale of 7,500 shares of employee stock options. On the same day, Xiao Wei-ming also conducted an insider purchase of 7,500 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 14th of May, 2025, Xiao Wei-ming sold another 7,500 shares of Class A common stock. On the 13th of May, 2025, Pat and Jared M. conducted an insider sale of 1,200 shares of director stock options. The following day, Pat and Jared M. sold 1,750 shares of director stock options. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a positive insider power with a ratio of 3.464. Overall, insiders have purchased 303,254 shares and sold 273,858 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $395.39, reflecting a decrease of 4.36%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 4 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 20th of May, we anticipate MicroStrategy Incorporated will open lower by $6.51, starting at $406.91. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.